don't you hear my ringtone?
Hey, Prodigy. Prodigy. Man, on your hip, man. Your hip. Yeah. Answer me, man. Oh, you ain't gonna answer? I ain't gonna do nothing but ring again, man. I'm saying, it's in your best interest to go ahead and answer me, because if not, I'm just gonna ring again, and I'm gonna ring again, and I'm gonna ring again, and I'm gonna get on your nerves until you answer the phone. So, your best bet's to answer me on the first ring. If not, I'm just gonna keep nagging you, I'm gonna keep vibrating. I mean, I'm just gonna get on your nerves, so.
Now we got the Color Pro downloaded on the second phone. And we'll go into it. We'll go to options. And now we have Color Pro. We'll click it, and then we'll make it, since this other phone is blue, we'll make this one green. And there we go. White Pearl. White Blackberry, green Pearl. Black Blackberry, blue Pearl. And there you have it. Oh yeah, and they're both my phones. And yes, they're both on. So holla back.